So this Audi A4 engine behind me is starting to shake a lot. And if you know what the cause of this is, it's typically the coils or the plugs. So today we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do a quick replacement of all the coils on this car and see if it fixes our shaking issue. All right, to do this project, it's really simple. Anyone can do it. It probably takes about a half an hour or less. All you really need is the right tools. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna open up the hood and let's get in there. So this is a very common problem with Audis. My S4 did this. I'm expecting this to be doing the same. When we see some issues there, I always start with Audi coil packs. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this and find the coil packs. So easy to remove. Now here's the 4 coil packs, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we have to just take off the Torx here to move this wire out of the way. Then we can just push this out of the way and replace them. So while you're in here doing this project, it's probably a good idea to replace the spark plug since you're already gonna have the coil packs out. So go ahead and do that at the same time. Otherwise, just do the coil packs. Now for the coil packs, you do wanna make sure you go with a name brand one or an OEM one. You definitely don't wanna go with just some random no-name one. You wanna make sure that it's gonna perform well. Okay, while we're in here, you might as well do the spark plugs too. So we're gonna go ahead and replace all 4 as well. Okay, so time to take this out. It's actually a T30, not a T35. All right, now with that out, I can just go ahead, take a flat-bladed screwdriver, disconnect these, and then slide this out of the way. All right, and they're all out. Okay, now all the plugs are gonna be a 5/8 socket, so we're gonna go ahead, take all these out. We'll do a quick look at them, just inspect them. I don't think it's the plugs, but I'm this far in, you might as well just replace them. These little magnet tools are useful for things like this. The plug looks completely fine. I do have new plugs, so I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. This one's a little black and a little fouled, okay? This one looks fine. This one's completely fine as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace these with different plugs and we'll put everything back together. All right, so I got 4 new plugs going in. Go ahead, start them by hand. One of these spark plug sockets is key to make sure you don't drop them into there and potentially change the gap. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten them most of the way by hand and then torque them down to spec. Or you can use the good and tight method. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna draw my new coil packs in one by one. I decided to go with racing red because this is now a race car. Look at how much better the red ones look. Go ahead and put force on them, make sure they get seated all the way. I'm gonna go ahead, reconnect everything back up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in. Then we're gonna take it for a test drive. Should probably clean this up. Starts and idles normal. All right, take it for a test drive, see how it does. I mean, the engine's still quiet. We should check the air filter. All right, test drive time. So it is an Audi, so it does have the persistent, always on check engine light. All right, quick test. Nice pull, no stuttering. All right, jumping on. No stuttering at all. Driving good. So that was a nice quick project to get done. The car's running great again. I still have the code P0299 from an underboost problem, and that I need to resolve another day. But for now, the car is running great. There's no more stuttering. If you do have an engine vibration and you want to jump to the first thing that it could be, it's probably the coils. So much so that I actually had these stored and ready for they went bad. Thanks for tuning into Smacky's Garage today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.